Hi everyone, welcome to another video. It's Femi Olaniyan here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to verify your Bybit account with your BVN in 5 seconds. And also, as you can see on the screen, I'll be showing you how you can earn up to $3,030 when you complete simple tasks on Bybit. This video is going to be a step-by-step guide on how to do all of these things. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss any important part of this video. Now, before I show you how to verify your Bybit account with your BVN and how to earn free money on Bybit, if you are new to my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Femi Olaniyan and I make videos on personal finance, cryptocurrencies, the stock market, and how to make money online. So if you love content like this, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Thank you. Now to how to verify your Bybit account with your BVN. Now, the first thing is to create a Bybit account. Now, if you don't have a Bybit account, use the first link in the description of this video to create a Bybit account and you'll be getting 10% discount on your trading fees. So use the first link in the description below to create an account. Now, for this video, I'll be using a new Bybit account because my account is already verified. So because I'm teaching you how to do your verification, I'll be using a new Bybit account. So once you've created your Bybit account, you'll be seeing this on your screen. So as you can see on the screen, earn up to $3,030 when you complete simple tasks on Bybit. It is that easy. So there are some simple tasks that you can do to earn free money up to $3,030 on Bybit. Now, the next thing is to pick an option right here, whether you own crypto or you don't own crypto. Now, let's for example, you own crypto on another crypto platform. Then you can come right here and pick deposit now. So you can deposit crypto from that other platform to your Bybit account. But let's say you don't own any crypto, you can come here and tap on buy crypto to buy crypto directly on the Bybit app. So let's leave that one aside and let's go straight to the verification. Now, if you scroll down, right here you see complete level 1 verification now and earn a 5 USDT bonus. So you can see this is the first step to start earning the free money. That is to complete your level 1 verification. And you can do this by using your BVN only in just 5 seconds. Now, let me show you. Once you come here, you tap on this. So let's say, for example, after creating your Bybit account, you don't see this on your screen. The first thing you need to do is to go to your home page. So right now, I'm on the Bybit home page. And then you come to the top right corner where you have this user icon right here. Once you go there, then you come straight to where you have account and security. Now, once you are here, you come straight to where you have identity verification right here. So you can see complete verification to increase daily withdrawal limit. You come here to where you have verify now. So you can see right here that it will also take you to the identity verification page. Now, there are different kinds of verification that you can do. You have the basic verification, you have the level 1 verification, and you have the level 2 verification. Now, once you do the level 1 verification, that is where you get the 5 USDT bonus. Now, for the basic verification, that's just where you create your account. So once you create your account, you've already done the basic verification. And you can do P2P trading of up to $1,000 and you can do withdrawal of up to 2 BTC every day. But for the level 1 verification, these are the benefits. For P2P trading, you have no limit. That means you can do any amount on P2P. And for your fiat top up, you can do $20,000 every day. And for your withdrawal limit, you can do 50 BTC every day. And you get to have more event bonuses on the platform. Now, all you have to do is you just submit an ID and your selfie. So let me show you. Just tap on verify now right here. And on the screen, you can see that you can verify one account only. Please make sure all the information provided is correct before submitting. So the meaning of this is that you can only use your identity or your ID to verify one account. You can't use it to verify more than one account. So the next thing is to select your country right here. So since I'm from Nigeria, you pick Nigeria right here and then tap on Nigeria and then you select an identity document type. Now, before, a lot of people always complain that they don't have ID card or passport or driver's license. But now you can use your BVN. In Nigeria, almost everyone has a BVN. So if you have a bank account, you have a BVN. So right here, I'll select BVN right here and tap on next. And right here, you can read this ID upload requirements that you have right here. And the next thing, just tap on next right here. And as you can see on the screen, let's get you verified. Before you start, please prepare your identity document and make sure it is valid. Then come here to tick this box and tap on next. And right here, the next thing for you to do is to enter your BVN right here and enter your last name. And then the next thing is to face the camera and ensure your face is within the frame. Then slowly turn your head around in a circle. So once you put in your face on the camera, you'll be asked to confirm your details, and just like that, you'll be verified in less than 5 seconds. So that is how to verify your Bybit account with your BVN in less than 5 seconds. Now take note that I can't verify this new account with my BVN because I have already verified my original account with my BVN. So now let's say for example you verified your account already and you've gotten your $5 bonus, and you also want to earn the other free bonuses of up to $3,000 on Bybit. Then you come here to where you have this icon right here and go straight to where you have rewards up, as you can see on the screen. Complete simple tasks to claim rewards deals. So once you tap on it, then it will take you to what you have on the screen. Welcome to the rewards up. Then you scroll down and you can see the first thing right here where you can earn 30 USDT welcome bonus. Now for this, you have to deposit and trade to grab up to 30 USDT in rewards. So as you can see on the screen, once you do your level 1 verification, you earn 3 USDT. And right here, once you log into the app and you've done your level 1 verification, you get 5 USDT. And if you keep scrolling, you see again that once you deposit at least $1, you get $1 also. So if you keep scrolling again, once you deposit at least $100 again, you get 10 USDT. And then if you keep scrolling again, you see if you are a new spot trader, that is if you take your first spot trade on the Bybit platform, you get 3 USDT again. And if you keep scrolling, if you take your first derivative trade also, which is also futures trade, you get 3 USDT again. And right here, you can see 3-day active trader. That means if you trade for 3 days consecutively, you get 5 USDT. And if you add all of this up together, that's up to 30 USDT for free in rewards. Now, aside from that, if you scroll down to where you have 30,000 USDT deposit blast of rewards. Now, let me tell you what this means. What this means is that if you deposit at least $1,000, you get 50 USDT for free. And right here where you see if you deposit at least $3,000, you get 100 USDT for free. So if you keep scrolling right here, you see where you have, if you deposit at least $10,000, you get 350 USDT for free. And if you deposit at least $20,000, you get 800 USDT for free. There's still more. And also if you deposit at least $100,000, you get $5,000 for free. So you can see that the more you deposit, the more free money you get. So with all of this, you can get over $3,000 in bonus on the Bybit app as a new user. Don't forget, if you don't have an account on Bybit yet, use the link in the description of this video so you can get 10% discount on your trading fees. And don't forget to do your verification with BVN if you don't have your ID card, whether your driver license, your national ID card, or your international passport. Now, in case you don't know how to buy or sell crypto via P2P on the Bybit platform, I have a video on that. The link to that video will be in the description below. And also, if you want to learn how to make $100 daily with copy trading on Bybit, I have a video on that also. The link to that video is also in the description of this video. Thank you for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.